Sige.
1, 2, 3. Taas mo pa ah. Bilang ka na. 1, 2.
This isn't the email. Oh yeah! Wow! Holy shit! I think we actually won. We actually won there. Grabe yung naging nasa akin. So yun Papa, no? Ha! You won't believe this. Shitty! So recently, we tuned in Bokbasoup. No, he's a Canadian streamer. He's one of my favorite streamer. Usually streams games. He's really good. He did a giveaway. It's sponsored by Chromebook. It's called POGPicks Holiday Edition. And they did a giveaway and we joined in. No? So all I had to do was type in hashtag Chromebook, then the reason why I won the laptop, no? And we went! There's her name, ano? So we just sent out the email, no? He confirms that he got the email. Okay, so that's good. We just have to wait for it. So I think it'll take around a week or so, maybe. I don't know. This is my first time winning. So let's go! Bilis ah. Yun na agad yun. Ito agad. Hindi ito agad. Yo! Andyan ata si editor. Hindi mo mag-edit ka dyan. Love po! Thank you, Mr. Bokbasoup and POGPicks! Let's go! Sige nga, tayo nga natin yan. Panood ko tayo. Ang tanga. Tanga. Yan, we're gonna unbox this. Let's go. Actually, it was fast, no? I think it got delivered. We joined the contest on the 7th. We got this 2 days ago. Total of 5 days. So, you know, I actually didn't expect that we'll win this one. Because I never won anything from giveaways, raffles. This is my first time winning something like this. In search of incredibly. So you know, this is Asus Chromebook CX1500. Its screen size is 15.6 inches. Processor niya ay Intel N4500, which is, you know, an average for day-to-day task. Memory niya is 128 gig SSD. Pretty good, I guess. With 8 gig of RAM. And of course, OS is Google Chrome. And ang maganda dito siguro sa Chromebook na to, no? I heard they done a lot of stress test and how durable it is. The durability of this is actually, they really tested out, no? They did shock test, vibration test, altitude test, then keyboard durability, and even yung tilting of the actual LCD, no? Dito na! No? This is my first time opening a laptop on a brand new box. City.
Wow!
And here we go. So, what's in the box? We have charger, of course. It's a Type-C charger now.
Okay.
It's a Type-C charger. Hindi na siya yung usual. It's pretty light. I think, no, just a ballpark, ang weight nito mga nasa 1.74 kilogram.
Ballpark yun.
No, somewhere around that.
Ballpark yun.
And I think it's pretty thin. Woohoo! It's pretty thin. Ooh.
Slick.
Again, ballpark lang, no? Not really sure. I think it's around 18.9 millimeters.
Sabi yung ballpark. Hanggang 0.9 talaga.
Look at that. Oh my god, it's brand new. Ow, ow, ow. Ow.
Pakita mo yung hairs mo.
Wow!
Parang okay yan sa'yo.
Ang ganda.
Gano'ng kalaki yung screen? Ballpark.
Ballpark ng screen. Actually, sabi ko na eh. Pero tingin ko lang, I just, from the looks of it, no, siguro mga, ano to, 15.6 inches. Tapos, oh, you can tilt mga, up to 180 degrees. Oh my god. What kind of sorcery is this? Then, I can see a USB port, a micro SD slot on this side, yung charging slot, 3.5mm audio jack, and another USB slot, and a Type-C slot on this side. Of course, meron din tayong user guide manual, the warranty card. So we can break this, then just apply for warranty. So this is Asus Chromebook CX1500 from POGPicks Holiday Edition. Thank you. So, what are we waiting for? Let's turn it on. Yun lang, walang charge, Or hindi siya nagana.
12 seconds later.
Ballpark, gano'ng kahaba ito? On the spot yun, sweet. 2.86. Oh! Ano siya, bebe ko? Ang bebe ko! Amoy!
Ano yung bukas ng Windows? Ano yung classic?
Chromebook spoken feedback is ready. Accessibility settings.
Oh my
Dialogue.
god, there's actually a sassy girl inside this laptop. We need to speak to her.
Sarah.
Si Alexi. Alexuri. Si Alexuri. Alexi naman siya.
No, Alexara.
Alexa and Siri. Alexi. Let's get started. Oh my god. Ooh, connect to network. Wi-Fi technology rin yan, no? Sabi dito, it's dual band up to Wi-Fi 6, so medyo mabilis yun. It's fast. And up to 11 hours battery life. Oh! iPhone! They say that it is very durable, no? They had a lot of tests did to the Chromebook, like, stress test, durability test.
Durability test, so pag nilaglag mo yung ganyan.
Yeah, from here. Uy! Then, they tried more than 1 million strokes on the keyboard, 30,000 of swiveling the monitor,
But you
LCD.
can feel the resistance kapag nag-ano na.
There is.
Kinakabahan ako. Bakit gano'n?
Yeah, you can tilt it up to 180 degrees. Really flat, really slim. And yeah. Look at that. And then let me remove the settings. Ooh.
You say na laptop. What is the difference between Chromebook and laptop?
So what's the difference between a laptop, Windows laptop, with a Chromebook, no? I guess the only thing the different about those two is, of course, yung OS. Sa Microsoft, it's a Windows OS. This is a Google Chrome OS. Tanga. Chromebook, this is good for cloud gaming. It's good.
Wait. Ano yung cloud game?
Cloud gaming is you are going to subscribe sa isang subscription-based application. Nag-offer yan Stadia, ngayon Google, Netflix has their own then. Instead of having the actual console or the machine power, you don't need to have that as long as you have good internet. Technically, it's streaming from a different, for example, you go to Nvidia or whatever streaming, you go to Google, no? You go to Google Cloud gaming, you connect. If you have subscription, you have access to thousands of games that you can play anywhere as long as you have internet connection.
Why 8?
Well, why you can do it. Technically it's a website, diba? So cloud gaming is same thing. Pero you have access to AAA titled games. For example, you can play Last of Us, Tomb Raider.
Dress up.
If it has dress up, pwede rin. You just have to connect your controller, the actual app, it opens up here, you can play. That's the new thing about cloud gaming. You just have to pay for the subscription, then after that, they'll connect you to the server, connect you to the game. So yun. I think this is best for cloud gaming since it has access to Wi-Fi 5 to 6, which is yung pinakabago ngayon. 6E. Once you connect to 6E, it's the fastest connection that you can get with the Wi-Fi.
Pero may connection din siya na internet.
No. Because it's Wi-Fi. It's it's pretty fast in terms of connection-wise, especially mga newer modem ngayon with this type of bandwidth or with type of Wi-Fi hardware na meron siya. It is not limited to 100 Mbps. It can go up to more than 100 Mbps just via Wi-Fi alone. With all that, so ayun, we finished unboxing our POGPicks Holiday Edition giveaway na Asus Chromebook CX1500, no? Look at that. Look at that. Woo! So yun, ang dami mong pwedeng gawin dito. There's a lot of things that you can do with the Chromebook, no? With Asus Chromebook CX1500. Pretty portable, no? It's pretty light. It's good for work, for going outside, for travel, no? So yun.
Pang-edit, pwede ba?
Pang-edit, I guess. Meron siya nung parang magic eraser ni Google Pixel phones, no? So, yeah, I think it's good for editing din.
Editor mo?
Kay editor? Nagtatrabaho ba? Bagay, parang tatrabaho naman siya. I think he's really working hard. He's been really good this past few months. Yung edits niya ng mga videos natin, medyo okay naman.
On time.
On time naman kahit pa paano. Medyo bumibilis na siya mag-edit. I think he's really working hard, no? And sige, since it's Christmas time naman din siguro, bigyan natin siya ng bonus. Ngayon, bigyan lang natin ng editor. Uy, mukhang hardworking talaga. Tangina, sumasakit pa yung ulo. Oh! Oh. Ano to? Laptop. Ano ko to? Deserve man. Chromebook Asus? Ito ba yung Asus Chromebook CX1500? Yan yun. May 15.6 inch na na display. May 128 gig SSD and 8 gig RAM. Ano ka bibigay mo sa akin na bossing? Maganda pang edit to. Deserve mo yan. Thank you.
Galing mo mag-edit.
Ayos.
Oo, tol.
Love you, bossing.
Deserve mo yan.
Thank you. Hindi na kita mumurahin sa edit ko.
Ang ina mo.
Edit ka dyan.